Did you know that a single contaminated poultry pen can harbor millions of harmful germs that can pose serious risk to your flock and your business? In this video, you will discover the cheapest and effective way of disinfecting and eliminating germs or bacteria quickly from your poultry house before stocking your day-old chicks, thereby ensuring a healthy environment for your birds. Let's dive in. Okay, we've just cleared out the last batch we did. I'll be clearing these used litters. After clearing it, I'm going to clean everywhere up, then disinfect. So I'm going to show you step by step on how I'm going to do everything. At the end of this series video I want to do, if you have never done any broiler production before, you'll be able to raise broiler from day-old chicks to till like 42 or 8 weeks. You'll be able to do it without any issue. So this is going to be a serious video. Like I said, it's going to be step-by-step guide. So at the end of it all, you'll be able to do everything. Just follow the video. Okay, now I'll need to pack everything like I said. So normally I use shovel to scrape everything so that I won't have much left over for me to sweep. Okay, so after packing these used litters, the next thing we'll do is to look at the net to see if there is anywhere we need to repair, because it won't be good for rats to be entering into the pen while you are brooding. Even after brooding, it won't be good. So to prevent predator and rat from entering into the pen, we're going to look at the net round after cleaning this place to see if there is any repair we need to do. Okay, just follow the video. Normally, when you scrape this manure, you don't need to throw them off. Then you can actually use it to farm, plant some other plants around if you have the space, or better still, there are people that normally come to buy this manure. So you contact them after packing the manure and then sell it out to them. Okay, like I've always said, nothing is a waste in poultry farming. Everything is precious. So I'll be doing everything step by step. You are going to see everything as I'm doing them. As you can see, the floor has been scraped with shovel, but it has not been swept. So the next thing is to sweep the floor with broom, so that some of the used litters that are left can be removed. After which, I will now bring the detergent solution to come and soak the floor and the wall. So once that is done, I'm going to get a brush or a broom to scrub the floor thoroughly, so that any other leftover of the used litter or the foul poo will be scraped off before coming to wash the floor thoroughly. Now, to avoid the spread of diseases during your brooding and after brooding, you need to undergo these processes so that the pen will be thoroughly clean and disinfected before stocking your day-old chick. Okay, you can see the pen has been swept. I've dusted the net, but I have not washed the pen yet. The next thing I'm to do now, since I've used this place for my last batch, I need to look for any place that needs to be repaired. Like for instance, I discovered that the birds, they actually scratched this place open, the floor. So I'm going to be needing some cement here to cement this place so that there won't be hole there. So I'll need to look around the net to see if there is any place that needs repair, so that rodent, especially rats, cannot get in when I'm brooding. So I wouldn't want that. And this other point, you can see some part of this floor here. So I'll need to use cement to cover it properly so that I don't have any entrance for any form of rat also. So another thing I'll also be doing, I'll be doing some repair here too, so that I won't have anything coming into the pen from there. So the pen has been swept. All I need to do left is to wash it and then disinfect. So this is the other point. So I'll be updating you as time goes on. This is the tank. There is a video in my channel on how to construct this tank along with the nipple drinkers. So it's very easy to do. So I'm going to remove this tank, disinfect it, wash and clean it, disinfect it before coming to reinstall it back. Okay, this is the detergent solution. this water, I've mixed the detergent, I've stirred it. So like I said, there were some places I needed to repair yesterday. This is one of them. I've used cement to do this place properly. I've also cemented this place properly. So I've done all the repair. So no hole in the length. So the next thing now is to soak the floor, soak the whole place with this detergent solution, and then wait for like 2 to 3 hours before coming to use strong broom to to scrub the floor properly. As you can see, the whole place has been soaked with detergent solution. So I'm going to give it about 2 hours before coming to use broom to scrub properly. So the essence of this is to ensure that the leftover, that's what was left after scraping with shovel, so that they can all be swept off. No, now after scrubbing, that is after using broom to scrub it, after giving that 2 hours, I'm going to come and then use another water to rinse it properly, possibly 2 times, to ensure that everywhere is properly clean before coming to disinfect the pen. Okay, as you can see, the floor has been washed and rinsed with clean water. So everywhere is clean now. The next thing I'm going to do now is to leave it to dry. Maybe by after about 24 hours to 48 hours, everything will be dried. Then I will now come and disinfect the floor. That's when I cannot stock my day-old chicks after it has dried. That's after I have disinfected the pen and it has dried. So what we'll do next after it has dried is to begin to prepare prepare the brooder. So I'll be using the other side for the brooder. You see everything as I'm going to be doing it. Okay, this is the pen. It has dried after cleaning, but it's time to come and disinfect everywhere now. So I'll be using a low-cost disinfectant. That is, I'll be making use of high concentration of hypo to wash the floor again. So this after 24 hours. So okay, you can see everywhere is cleaned up. Or I can't stock my day-old chicks in here like this without disinfecting the pen. You see, like I said, I'll be using a high concentration of hypo to disinfect this pen. Now, based on the write-up on this hypo, I said they said for disinfecting and stain remover, add 75 ml, because this is 75 ml, to 5 liters of waters. That's what they said. But I want my oil to be highly concentrated. So in this case, I'm going to add maybe to 75 ml to 2 liters of water, meaning in about 20 liters, or let me just use 3. In about 20 liters, now I'm going to add 6 to 7 of this to it, so that it will be highly concentrated. Okay, you see how I'm spraying the disinfectant on the floor. So after this, I'm going to use broom to come and sweep the water containing the high concentration of hypo. I'm going to sweep it around the floor. You see, that's what I'm doing right now. Once this is done, I'm going to give it some time to dry. So that is it. So normally after pouring the water this way, what I do, I simply use the broom to ensure I use it to sweep everywhere. That's the floor, the wall. Then, like I said, this is a high concentration of hypo that I mixed in water. Then use it to spray everywhere. After this, now I'm going to allow the water to dry. After, I'll sweep off this water, then allow everywhere to dry before coming to cover everywhere. So another thing I'll be doing after this is the nipple. I'm going to spray the nipple as well, disinfect everything. Okay, as you can see, the floor, the walls, everywhere has been disinfected. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to cover up everywhere and then give it some time to dry. Then restriction to this place will be highly implemented. So no coming in until when it is necessary. So even this wall, I've disinfected everywhere. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and check out our next video for more tips on broiler management.